Zipper foot, narrow base, high shank, installing a lap zipper. The flexibility of the narrow base zipper foot makes close sewing easy, as you'll see when we install a lap zipper. By loosening the screw on the back, you can move the foot to either side of the needle, adjusting how close you'd like it to be. To install a lap zipper, first sew the seam where you'd like the zipper to be located. Attach the zipper foot to your machine. Loosen the screw and move the foot to the right of the needle and retighten. Choose a straight stitch. To first attach your zipper, position it teeth down with the edge of the tape lined up with the seam allowance. Align your project so the needle is in the middle of the zipper tape. Sew all the way down the zipper. Move the foot to the left side of the needle. Turn the zipper over and fold the edge of the fabric back to the edge of the teeth. Sew a seam close to the edge of the fold. Open up your fabric and lay it flat. Move the zipper foot to the right side of the needle and sew a seam close to the zipper teeth. When you've sewn the length of the zipper, remove the stitching on your original seam, and you now have a lap zipper installed. You can also use the narrow base zipper foot to install a centered zipper and an open tooth design.